We got a crap ton of clocks, boys.
If you're looking to buy some coins, then go to FIFAUTstore.com and use discount code MAX for 10% off. For the cheapest, fastest, best place to buy your coins. Link below.
Boys, this is Mac. It's been a while since we've done a prank. We're bringing you something that has never been done on YouTube before. It's called the alarm clock prank. What is the alarm clock prank? I hear you ask, boys. Basically, we bought, come here, a crap ton. Yeah, a crap ton of alarms. 2 massive boxes. We've got about 100 alarms. We are going to set them all for about 1 minute past 3 a.m., 2 minutes past 3 a.m., 4 minutes past 3 a.m., etc, etc. We're gonna hide them all around Ali's room. He has to get up early because he's going to Liverpool versus Real Madrid at Kiev. So he's getting up early this morning to go to Kiev. But we're gonna wake him up a couple of hours earlier than he has to, piss him off a little bit. So he's gonna get up, he's gonna be like, what the hell is this alarm? He's gonna find it, he's gonna turn it off, then the next one's gonna go off, and the next one's gonna go off, and we're gonna drive him mad. Alright, boys, if you're new around here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notifications turned on. Drop a like, and also, boys, I did actually copy this idea. One of you guys out there gave me this idea, and I can't remember what video it was on, so I'm sorry. But in future, if you let me know prank ideas in the comment section below, I will screenshot it and I will credit you in the video. So let me know your prank ideas below. Let's get into this. Right, boys, so we need to unpack each alarm and set the correct time for the alarm to go off. This is gonna take a while. He's supposed to get up at like 5:30 in the morning, so we're gonna set the clock for let's get him up an hour early. Let's get him up for 4:20. Yeah, boys, this is gonna take a while. So let's do a shaky time lapse. We got a crap ton of clocks, boys. Look at this. Look at these clocks. So now, boys, the plan is we're gonna hide these all around his room in the places where he won't be able to see them. Alright?
Are we gonna struggle, are we not?
Maybe. But let's get started. Alright. I'm thinking we'll put a couple on his nope.
Jesus Christ. Max. The fridge.
First of all, we're gonna put one in the fridge. Bam.
The other fridge as well, why not?
The fridge, yeah. Get the second one in. So imagine waking up at 4 a.m. with these bells going off everywhere.
No, I've heard them as well, and they're not quiet.
One behind the TV.
I see more than that behind the TV because it's hard to get to.
What's the one down there?
Oh, that's long. That's so long. Under the throne.
Right. Drawers. Well, these drawers are hard to open as well. Next drawer.
What? Bro, what? Oh my god! Oh
it's
my!
Ramadan, bro. It's Ramadan.
Put it away. Bro. It might be used.
We're gonna do all the drawers, boys. All right, next drawer.
Again? Why does he need 2?
Bro, behave yourself, lad. Seriously.
2?
That's the last drawer we're looking at. That's the
Yes,
last drawer we're looking at.
Just put it there and then put loads of like deodorant cans in front of it. Do you reckon he'll spot that? I don't reckon he's spotting that.
I don't think so, you know. I'm gonna take the risk. I don't think he's gonna see that.
Nah, you're good.
Yeah, it's good. One up there. Well, we'll stick a few up here because it'll be hard to get to, isn't it?
He's short as well, you won't be able to see him. Oh no. Oh no.
Wow, does it fit?
Yeah, it fits. Oh wait, no, I'm on you.
We'll just stretch it. Oh wait.
Oh, like a glove.
Like a glove.
Like a glove.
It was made for it. It was made for it. Stick that back in. Boys, next up in our drawer.
No, wait, no. You should have known. You should have known.
I'll throw some moisture out. I'm not touching that. Bedside drawer as
The
well.
bedside drawer, no less.
Boys, it's Ramadan, man. Like, seriously. The 1 month of the year, Ali. God.
You could put a load. Just down there in the corner, you see. We'll put some behind his monitors. Right by his head.
That'll be the one. They'll be the ones that wake him up.
Yeah, stick it. That's strong tape, you know. That's gonna hold it.
Grill tip. There we go.
Jeez,
Nice.
jeez.
And then I think we'll go for one.
Bro, it looks like you've taped the bomb under his desk. It looks so bad from here. Like if you were to look under here, you'd be like, what the fuck is that? Just sling him under.
Yeah, we're gonna make it so he has to lift the bed up to get into it. All right, let's go.
All right, hit.
There we go.
Nice. Oh, those are the worst ones. Those are the worst ones. I'll be very impressed if he doesn't spot any before he goes to bed. But I don't think he will.
See that, bro? But as much as we've got loads of alarm clocks in here, like they're not actually.
And you wouldn't walk in. You're never looking for an alarm clock.
Yeah, like
either.
he's coming in at like midnight.
He's going to bed.
After being Ramadan, having to go to. He has to go to gym because of Ramadan, because he can't obviously go to gym because he can't drink during the day. So he's coming in late.
He's always
hitting the
shattered.
sack.
He's always shattered.
Like, and also like you'd have to be looking for it. Like there's not like you cannot see any of these anywhere.
We got 2 left. Leave you the honors of 2.
And even if he does find one, you probably just think, what the fuck's this? Do you know what I mean? He's just gonna think, what the fuck's that?
Max, where did you leave my alarm clock?
Yeah. You'd have to find like a couple before he starts clocking what's going on.
Yeah.
Get that? Clocking what's going on.
Mate, stop, please.
Rest of them are going under the front, boys. Is that it?
That is it, mate.
Right, job done, boys. We're gonna clear up the room, get rid of the cardboard. I'm gonna wake up at 4 AM. I'm gonna set the camera. He's a very heavy sleeper. I'm gonna come in, set the camera up, hit record, and just wait for him to wake up. I'm assuming when he wakes up, he's gonna turn a light on to find the alarm, isn't he? So
You think so?
you'd think so, anyway. So, boys, if you want to see more pranks, drop a like. Let's see you there.
A few moments later. "12 seconds later."
Fuck you. Fuck you. Cunt. 420. 420. What's the fucking point? What's the fucking point? I know the camera's here, you fucking dweeb. You think I'm fucking stupid? Look, bro, I've been having to just. Oh my fucking.
Turn the light on, bro. Turn the.
Why? Why?
Bro, you weren't meant to wake me up as well, man.
Why?
Yo, bro, how long have these been going off, mate? Oh, mate, this is someone who's playing a fucking savage prank.
Cut man, don't.
Where's this one, lad? Where's that one? Where's that one, lad? Oh, you struggled to find this one, mate.
Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Why though?
You're looking pretty fresh this time in the morning, you know. Let's go for a run, mate.
It's fucking 420. It's fucking 4. I've slept for an hour, like.
Blaze it, bro. Ow! Oh, there's 2 going off. There's 2 going off. There's more. There's more.
Where?
You're not going to stay for a little while because they're gonna just keep going off, bro.
You think this is fucking funny? You think this is fucking funny? This is ridiculous.
It's 41.
Fucking ridiculous.
Bro, I need to go sleep, bro. I need to go sleep. Oh! You might have got them all, you know. Oh god. Where's this one,
like
lad?
Satan's
Where's this
children.
one, lad? Where's this one, lad? Where is it? Where's this one gonna be?
Fucking tuck.
It's a bit of a
A shit show, innit?
bit of a shit show, yeah.
Bit of a fucking shit show.
I'm away to bed, man. Honestly, I can't be dealing with this
Can we
shit.
go to bed?
Ow, bro. Good night, brother.
Fuck you.
Good
cunt.
night.